Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the exact cells or column where Excel strips leading zeros. Format them as text from the Home ribbon. This tells Excel to stop interpreting numbers. Alternatively, apply a custom format like 00000 to keep fixed-length codes. If you are entering data manually, start with an apostrophe before the value so Excel treats it as text. Once done, new entries retain zeros. This prevents Excel's automatic numeric coercion and preserves data integrity for codes and ID. Next, focus on converting existing data and importing correctly. If data comes from CSV, use data from text and set those columns to text in the wizard. This avoids losing zeros on import. For spreadsheets already changed, create a helper column and use text, value 00000, or prepend an apostrophe to rebuild leading zeros. Make sure to replace formulas with values when finished. Once applied, review a sample to confirm zeros persist and that downstream formulas still work as expected. To finish, lock your corrected values by copying the helper column and using paste special values over the originals. This removes formula dependencies and enforces the visible zeros. For fixed-length codes, apply a custom number format like 000000 so storage can remain numeric, but display keeps zeros. If zeros still disappear, check for external processes or imports that reset types, or verify conditional formatting and cell validation settings. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, re-import with all suspect columns forced to text to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.